What if your favorite app broke and fixed its own code before you even saw a crash screen? Software bugs cost the global economy billions every year, while forcing painful, unexpected server downtime. Normally, human engineers must manually read error logs, write patches, and wait hours to deploy updates. Instead, self-healing software uses local AI agents and genetic algorithms to test thousands of code fixes in milliseconds. This creates virtually un-crashable apps that repair live code without restarting, though security risks of automated edits remain a concern. Thank you for watching. If you would like to watch more of these short videos, please subscribe and comment below what you think about explaining automated program repair and how live AI agents rewrite broken code.